I know how many people will come out and say whatever for him. That's his power. That's why I wrote the op-ed. I was speaking to that phenomenon. How many people will come out in support of him and will fall to his power? He is a very powerful man, and people love currying favor with powerful men.
Currying
and I know that
and
firsthand. I've
risking
lived
jail
it.
time for committing perjury.
Excuse me? I didn't hear your question.
You didn't
Excuse
hear my
me?
question?
Ms. Vasquez, if you do mind,
Curry-
please just repeat the question. I didn't hear you.
Curry favor and commit perjury in this courtroom?
I have
For
seen
a
people
powerful
do this.
man?
I have seen people do this time and time again.
If you think you've heard the last of Amber Heard and Johnny Depp, well, bad news for you, because guess what? These two ex-lovebirds are not going away anytime soon. And quite literally, especially after the ACLU just sued Johnny for alleged damages they are titled after the Pirate of the Caribbean star dragged their name to litigation. Also, we will be talking about Amber's connection with the ACLU and why she is definitely the reason why the union decided they can sue Johnny. So, what is Amber's connection with the ACLU? And why did the ACLU sue Johnny Depp? Let's find out. We all know that the ACLU was involved in the defamation trial of Amber Heard and Johnny Depp, and for the most part, the op-ed which was published by them is the meat of the trial. Of course, we can't forget about the donations which Amber didn't make. I think everyone can also agree that it was one of the most exciting parts of Camille Vasquez's cross-examination of Amber Heard.
Yes, that's correct.
He didn't sue you until after the op-ed came out in December of 2018, right?
He sued me in 2019.
And the op-ed came out in December of 2018.
That is correct.
So in October of 2018, you had received your entire $7 million divorce settlement. You would agree with me?
That is correct.
Okay. And you hadn't yet been sued by Mr. Depp.
This is October, correct.
So in this October 2018 interview, you said that you had, quote, donated, end quote, your entire divorce settlement to charity, right?
That's correct.
And in fact, your exact words were, quote, $7 million in total was donated to, I split it between the ACLU and the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles, end quote, right?
That's correct. I made that statement as soon as I got a divorce and we reached the settlement. That's when I pledged it, right then.
And you say this because you, quote, wanted nothing, end quote.
That is correct.
But you hadn't donated your entire $7 million settlement to charity at that point, had you?
That's incorrect.
Sitting here today, Ms. Heard, you still haven't donated the $7 million divorce settlement to charity. Isn't that right?
Incorrect. I pledged the entirety of the
Ms.
settlement,
Heard,
$7 million
that's
to
not my
charity,
question.
and I intend to fulfill those obligations.
Ms. Heard, that's not my question. Please,
What was
try
your
to answer
question?
my question. Sitting here today, you have not donated the $7 million, donated, not pledged, donated the $7 million divorce settlement to charity.
I use pledge and donation synonymous with one another. They
But
do
I
the same
don't.
thing.
Ms. Heard, I don't use it synonymously.
That's how donations are paid.
Ms. Heard, respectfully, that's not my question. As of today, you have not paid $3.5 million of your own money to the ACLU. Yes or no?
I have not yet.
And as of today, you have not paid $3.5 million of your own money to the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles, correct?
I have not yet. Johnny sued me.
So as of today, you have not donated, paid $7 million of your divorce settlement to charity, right?
I have not been able to fulfill those obligations yet.
And that's because you did want something, didn't you?
I didn't want anything and I didn't get anything.
You wanted Mr. Depp's money.
And despite everything that proves that Amber didn't donate all the money she said she donated to the ACLU, the nonprofit organization still sued Johnny Depp. On July 1st, the ACLU obliged Johnny Depp to pay them $86,000 as legal fees for the evidence used in the trial against Amber Heard. Despite the fact that the judge only awarded the ACLU $38,000, Depp fans are upset that the organization received even a penny from the actor. Many speculate that there is a connection between the ACLU and Amber Heard, as there are rumors that Anthony Romero, the ACLU executive director and the person primarily responsible for filing the case against Johnny Depp and Amber Heard, are quite close. How close you ask? Well, close enough for Amber and her sister Whitney to settle into Romero's house in the East Hamptons. If you remember, the ACLU also helped Amber to publish the op-ed that was proven defamatory of Johnny Depp. From that early on, you can already see the connection between the organization and Heard. It was also revealed that the judge who handled this latest case is a member of the ACLU, and fans are obviously outraged. Fans commented, "I don't understand why they put these judges on these cases if they have these conflicts of interest. Them giving their word doesn't mean anything. The outcome shows it clearly made a difference." Another said, "Conflict of interest, that means the judge should be recused." This fan also pointed out how everything doesn't make sense. She said, "How is this happening? What is happening right now? It used to be a normal thing that judges who are linked to the matter in some type of way would excuse themselves. And in all honesty, I get the reasoning. But being linked to a party of the court is hella dubious." Many also noticed that for a non-profit organization, Romero is earning a whole lot more than expected, and it seems he's the perfect source of Amber Heard's finances. Well, we can talk about that in another video, but how about you? Do you think the ACLU is entitled to damages? And do you think Amber is related to this case? Let us know in the comments below.